Welcome back to History Essay Helper. Today we write our first body paragraph on the Nile River. The essay question we'll be answering is why should we study ancient Egypt? Last lesson we finished the context paragraph, which you can pause and read here. And for each essay paragraph we'll be using the teal structure. The topic sentence explains how the main idea of the paragraph helps us answer the essay question. And to make this link, we can think about what historians are interested in and link this to the topic. In this example, the Nile is of interest to historians because it explains so much about why ancient Egypt developed the way it did. Now we can complete the topic sentence by connecting the Nile River topic to the essay question. Next up, the explanation sentence explains the topic sentence in more detail. To do this, we can ask contextual questions like who, what, when, where, why, or how, but we only need to include the parts that help explain the main idea. In this example, we explain where and when the river flowed and flooded, and how the fertile soil provided resources that allowed the ancient Egyptians to thrive. Next, we use evidence to support our explanation. Here we've used primary sources to show first-hand perspectives of the Nile and secondary sources to explain how the Nile shaped the historical development of ancient Egypt. The level of detail needed in this section depends on your level of education. More advanced students should include more sources and more specific evidence. Next, the analysis section tells us how the sources address the main idea of the paragraph. In this example, we show why our evidence matters because it shows the influence of the environment on the historical development of ancient civilizations. Finally, we can link the last sentence back to the essay question. And now we have a finished paragraph. Next time, we'll write our next body paragraph on the social organization and hierarchy in ancient Egypt. See you then.